Good morning, everyone. Today, we gather here to celebrate a very special day in the history of our great nation, India, the 15th of August, our Independence Day. Independence Day is a day of immense importance and pride for all Indians. It marks the day when our country finally broke free from the clutches of British rule after years of struggle, sacrifice, and determination. On this day in the year 1947, India gained its long-awaited freedom and became a sovereign nation. As we stand here today, let us take a moment to remember the brave souls who fought tirelessly for our country's independence. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel, Bhagat Singh, and countless others inspired and led our nation towards liberty. Their dedication, courage, unwavering spirit continue and to inspire us to work towards a better and stronger India. Independence Day is not just a day off from school or work. It is a day to reflect on the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters, to recognize the value of the freedom we enjoy today, and to reaffirm our commitment to building a bright future for our country. As young citizens of India, we have a significant role to play in shaping the future of our nation. Just like our forefathers, we too must work hard, study diligently, and contribute positively to society. Let us pledge to be responsible citizens who respect and uphold the principles of democracy. On this day, let us also take a moment to appreciate the rich cultural diversity of our country. India is a land of different languages, religions, traditions, and beliefs, yet we all stand united under the tricolor flag. This unity in diversity is what makes our nation truly unique and strong. So, my fellow friends, as we celebrate this Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices of our heroes, express gratitude for the freedom we have, and commit ourselves to making India even better. Let's work together to eradicate illiteracy, poverty, and discrimination from our society. Let's contribute towards a cleaner environment, better education, and a more inclusive nation. I wish you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.